Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna install this VRSF charge pipe in my BMW F30 320i with a N20 motor. This method is gonna be same for N20 or N26. This is a replacement for the OEM charge pipe. This comes with the 2 screws and these 2 aluminum charge pipe. Our OEM one is a plastic, so this is an aluminum replacement for it, which is much stronger. And we get in a box these 2 metal clamps and joint, the silicone joint to join these 2 charge pipe pieces together. Our OEM one is in one piece. So I started with from the belly pan. I didn't completely remove it. I just opened the screws on the front and couple of screws on the side, and I lowered it so I can reach the one side of the intercooler and remove the charge pipe. I didn't even jack up the car. It was easily accessible. The screws which were used for the belly pan are these ones. These kind of screws were used. So this is how the OEM charge pipe look like. I already removed it, and now I'm going to show you how I removed it. So to start with, we have to remove is this plastic clamp from the bottom on the intercooler side, and this is the hardest part of this job. This clamp is a little hard to remove, and we have to pull it toward the intercooler to open. So I used this pick tool, and what I did was I just hooked it to this side, hold it like that, and I just pushed it down, and it opened on this side. And on the other side, on the other end, this side, I used the screwdriver, and I came from the top side and I just pushed it down, and this plastic piece came out. Then the C clamp, the lock clamp, I just removed this, like pulled it down and then pulled the charge pipe out. Now on the other side of the charge pipe, which is connected right here, what I did was I removed the sensor first. This sensor, I just open the screws and keep it to the side right here so it doesn't get damaged. And then the next thing, I remove this hose from the bottom right here. So for this one, what we have to do is we have to push these 2 clips together and just pull it down, and it's gonna be released from here. And once it's released, I also release the other end, like this one side, from this other sensor, so I have enough room for the pipe to wiggle it out and easy to remove, and I don't break anything. And then there is this locking clip, C clamp on this side. What I did was I used this screwdriver and I just pulled it like this up, and it just unlocked, and I just pulled it out. So this locking clip, the C clamp, which we removed from this side, we are going to be using it on our new charge pipe. And also there is a O-ring, this one on this side, so we have to remove this and save it and install it on the new pipe. Also there is another one on this side, so we have to remove this one as well. So this is it. I already finished the installation. I started with the bottom side, the intercooler side one. I just used the metal C clamp. I didn't use the plastic one. And after that, I put this silicone joint on and these 2 rings, but I left them loose. I didn't tighten them up. Then I installed this sensor, and after the sensor I installed the hoses, both of the hoses, and made sure everything is tight, including the 2 other screws. Make sure they are also tight. And then I put the C clamp on the throttle body side over here, and after that all these things were done, then I tightened these 2 screws to make the silicone joint tight as well, and that's it. Thanks for watching.